Hello and welcome to Trade with the Pros. My name is Rick Meadows. Today we're going to talk about positions. Most people know and understand that you can make money in the markets when prices go up. That position is called long. Now I want to talk about shorting. Shorting is where you actually make money when the prices go down in the market, and it sounds so counterintuitive it doesn't make any sense. In the workshop that you're about to attend, we're going to go through what tools you'll need and how to effectively short the market regardless of the asset you're trading. We look forward to seeing you then. Have a great day.